Henry.
Ready?
Thank you very much, Carol. Thank you very much, Pittsburg Yacht Club. Thank you, Culinary School, for one fantastic year.
All right.
I have a lot of names on here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to name my officers. Hold your applause until the end, and then it'll be a lot easier that way. It'll go quicker. I have Wayne Gadara, Rear Commodore; Sandy Clark, Port Captain; Greg Teaslow, Treasurer; Joe Teaslow, Secretary; Willie Gursky, Staff Commodore. Directors: Willie Gursky, Mike Greco, Roy Lindahl, Juan Quinde, Bill Woroff. Past Commodores: 1995, Martha Mohan.
Yo, Martha!
2000, Linda Benston. 2003, Bill Woroff. 2005, Greg Teaslow. 2006, Mike Greco. 2007, Willie Gursky. I have 4 birthdays and 1 anniversary. The birthdays are as follows: Wayne Gadara, Ed Miller, Vince Meyer, Greg Teaslow. The anniversary is Ed and Sue Ann Miller. If y'all catch me afterwards, I'll give you your bottle of wine. And Greg, I wanted to talk to you about retroactive on birthdays also. Was it this month or last month?
Oh, it's this month?
It is?
Uh-huh.
Sure. Well, it's not according to your birthday list, Joe.
No, it is. My birthday is July 30th.
Oh, okay. All right.
Greg, and our
Okay.
anniversary is July
All right. Okay.
How many birthdays does Greg get?
One every month.
Well, you just got to remember, every time he has a birthday, he gets older.
Yeah. Yay! And we're getting older.
Oh, I do have one person here that has a guest. Greg, would you like to introduce your guest, please?
Absolutely. This is my mother right here. She's going to be 92 3/4. My mother, Thelma Teaslow.
And that's all I have. We'll turn the mic back over to you.
Yay! Thank you, Henry. I think we do have another announcement that we want to make. We're going to be having Seafood Festival. Carol Bybin, would you like to come up and talk a little bit about it?